Hi there. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make these cute bookmarks using the 2 tags Bigs die. The way they work, I'll show you one that's in a book. It has 2 magnetic strips on the inside, and those just fit around your page and grab each other to hold your place. So to begin, I've got a piece of the Floral District Designer Series paper that I have die cut one of the tags, the scallop circle tag, from the 2 tags die, and this is what it looks like. You've got these 2 tags and we're using this one. So that is already done. And then we're going to take the bookmark, and from this top edge we're going to score 1.5 inches and score along that line, and that's where we'll fold it. Okay, and now we're ready to stamp the sentiment, and I'm using this little stamp from the Friendly Phrases set, To My Friend, and I'm going to ink it up with Old Olive ink and just stamp that. And then I'm going to use the 1 1/4 inch circle punch to punch that out. So I'll line that up and get it centered. And then I'm using a scrap of the Old Olive cardstock and the 1 3/8 inch circle punch, and punch a circle from there. And then a scrap of Calypso Coral, and I'm using the scallop circle punch, scallop circle punch to get my scallop. Okay, so I'm ready to assemble these, and I'm going to begin by taking my scallop circle, and I want to lay this right over, I'm going to position this on the scalloped edge of the tag. There's a little tiny bit of, it almost looks like stitching, where when it goes through the die cutting machine you can see that stitching line, and that's where I'm going to line up these scallop circles. I'm going to go ahead and use a dimensional to attach the scallop circle just to give it some dimension, and then like I said, I will line that up just inside that little scalloped edge. So there's that. And then I'm going to take my sentiment and attach it to the 1 3/8 inch circle with some snail adhesive. And then I'll use another dimensional to attach that to the scallop circle. So that's going right in the center there, just like that. And then I took a basic pearl, and I just put that to, I used the pearl to dot the eye. I'm going to flatten that out. Put that into place just like that. Just adds a little touch. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and add the magnets. This is just about done. So I have 2 self-adhesive magnets. You can get these at any craft store. It has the self-adhesive backing on it, and I just cut these to 1 inch, and I'm going to place those together so that they're magnetized to each other, and then I will peel off this backing on both sides. Okay, so the adhesive is ready to be put on, and then I'm opening the inside of the bookmark where the fold is, and you can just place the magnet that one side down, and then if you just fold it over they'll be in the right position, and then they're ready to go. Now they're ready to use as a bookmark. I have written instructions available at my Jill's Ink website. With the exception of the magnets, all of the products used to make this can be purchased at my online store, my Stampin' Up! Website, which is shown across the screen. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.